So let me give y'all an update on the ticket sale. Tickets still going on sale in 6 days. I got everything set up with Eventbrite, but considering the fact that I've never hosted an event with Eventbrite before, they're saying that I'm not eligible for a scheduled payout, that I would have to wait 3 days after my event to receive my payout. So, speaking to one of my co-hosts of the party, my brother, I'm gonna tag him in this video. He just basically was like, sell all the tickets through Cash App. So yeah, we still gonna do the ticket sale. We still gonna have my party, cause me, I be ready to give up. And don't say nothing about my set it off braids and my Jason mask, because we getting close to the holiday season and I got a lot of costumes I need to try to. But tickets still going on sale in 6 days. Be on the lookout for the clues for the games. And pay attention to all the details moving forward, because it's gonna be valid keys and information that y'all got to listen for. So, and let's get ready to party. Happy Halloween. Yeah. So, yeah. Tickets gonna sell in 6 days. In 6 days. Yeah.